Hello dears, welcome to my channel Maths by U by Attaur Rahman. In this lecture, we are taking up grade 12 Mathematics, Unit 10th. Exercise 10.2, question number 5. The slope of the family of curves at the point P of xy is y minus 1 divided by 1 minus x. We have to determine the equation of the curve, that is a particular curve that passes through the point P4, minus 3. So, coming to the solution of this question, as we have given that the slope of the curve, family of curve, is y minus 1 divided by 1 minus x. We know that the slope represents the derivative of a function. That is, derivative of y with respect to x is equal to y minus 1 divided by 1 minus x. We can see that this equation is SDE, that is separable differential equation. That is, we can easily separate y and its differential, similarly x and its differential. So separating the variables, we have dy by y minus 1, and we will transfer the dx from left to right, and this will become 1 minus x. Okay, what is the next step? We will integrate both sides of this equation. So integrating, we will not mention is here that integrating this with the help of x or y, because we have different variables on both sides. So we will integrating both sides of this equation. So applying the integral on both sides, we have dy by y minus 1, and on the right we have integral of dx divided by 1 minus x. Now we can see that the derivative of the denominator function exists here as 1. Why? The derivative of y minus 1 is 1, which exists in the numerator. Here in the right hand side, we have the derivative of 1 minus x as minus 1. So we see that there is a deficiency of minus 1 in the numerator. How to overcome this deficiency? So we can take out minus 1 from this function, or we can multiply here minus 1 and also multiply here minus 1. So we can easily handle this problem. So doing this, we have integral of dy by y minus 1, and in the right we have in minus dx divided by 1 minus x. Now the derivative of y minus 1 is 1, so we can write this as ln of y minus 1, while in the right we have minus natural log of 1 minus x. Now here we see that the left hand side has natural log, the right hand side has natural log, so we can write the constant of integration as ln of c. Why? Because it is customary. Okay, so that's why I have written it like this. Now using the properties of logarithm, this can be written as ln of c divided by 1 minus x. Now taking n the log of both sides, we have y minus 1 is equal to c upon 1 minus x, and this is what y minus 1 into 1 minus x is equal to c. Say this is our required solution. You see that there is a constant of integration. So this is what the general solution of many curves. Suppose we have infinite number of curves here like this, but one of those curves, one of them is passing through the point P of 4 minus 3. This is actually the initial conditions. Here we will replace x with 4 and y with minus 3 to find the particular solution of this curve. That is, putting x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 3, because this curve passing through this point. So this becomes minus 3 minus 1 into 1 minus 4 is equal to c. This will give us what? The value of c, that is minus 4 into minus 3, which is equal to c. Now finding the value of c, which is 12. Now replacing this value of c in this equation, so we will have y minus 1 into 1 minus x is equal to 12, and this is what the particular solution of that curve, that is that is that specific part of their equation.